How to change the font style on WhatsApp. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a super cool WhatsApp trick that can make your messages stand out. Ever wanted to change the font style on WhatsApp? Let's get started. First up, let's talk about how to make your text bold. This can be great for emphasizing important information or just making your messages pop a little more. To make your text bold, simply put an asterisk before and after the word or sentence you want to bold. Next, let's make our text italic. Italics can add a nice touch for emphasis or to show that something is a little different. Just add an underscore before and after your text. So if you type _hello, it will look like this. Hello. Pretty cool. Finally, if you want to get a bit more technical, you can use monospace text. This gives your message a typewriter-like look, which can be great for code or anything you want to stand out in a different way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit that bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Have a great day, everyone. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover, leave them in the comments below. Bye for now.